guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a colorful glam look. So the colors I'm going to be using is like blues, purples, pinks, like that. I'm gonna do a halo cut crease. I think I'm decent at doing halo cut creases. It's not really hard for me. So if you guys want to see how I create this halo colorful look, keep watching. See, I already did my eyebrows. I'm doing my eyebrows a little different every time I do makeup to see how I like them. And I like them so far like this. I did make the tail longer because I usually wouldn't bring it out this far. But I decided to do it because I want to see how it looks. So I think I really like it. I'm using the Cosmetics foundation as my concealer. You can use any concealer. You don't have to use the same concealer I'm using. You can use any concealer you want. Alright, so the eye is primed. I'm going to go prime the other eye off of camera. And I'll just show it right now. But I'm going to like time lapse me doing this eye, so yeah. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe X James Charles palette. Pack it on with that brush I showed. I'm going to pack it on my crease, like in my crease. These kind of looks, you want to use colors that will blend right into each other, will go right softly transition into each other. So blues, pinks really blend into each other, purples and blues blend into each other, pinks and purples blend into each other, orange and red shades blend together, yellows and reds, yellows and orange, green and blue, stuff like that blends into each other. So you definitely want to use shades like that. I'm going back in with the blue to just help blend it into this pinkish purple shade. This hot pink shade here, and a little of this powdery pink, and then a little bit of this hot pink shade, and just blend the edges of that pink purple shade that I showed. Tap into this light blue there. Now I'm going to tap in with this purple a little bit. Alright, so this is the final eye. I'm going to do the other eye camera and then I'll show you guys the finishing look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that post notification bell to get notified every time I make a new video, which is 3 times a week. My social medias will be in the description. Because you already know what products I use, so I don't really have to put it in the description. But yes, hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys in my next one. Peace.